I'll record this and then I can share it with you. So for doing the lab, so we'll
Mm-hmm.
go down to week 1, which is the lab chapters 1 and 2.
Yep.
And we open that and get to this template, make yourself a copy so that well, so that you can edit it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
There you go. And then for using the lab, well, first of all, you're gonna go to the discussions link in Canvas and answer
Mm-hmm.
questions.
I already did that. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Cool. So now RStudio, and I put a couple tutorials. So we go
Mm-hmm.
to Posit Cloud. Oops. Link and log in with Google. And when you
Mm-hmm.
log in, you want to use your Chemeketa account.
Yep. I
Okay.
already did that. The
Great.
lab.
So good. You're already on track.
Well, hopefully I am. I'm not even sure. But it gives me reassurance that I'm
Yeah.
good. I'm in the right path.
Yeah, you're on the right path. Okay. Let's see. We're going to create a new RStudio project. So
Yeah.
here we
Okay. Okay.
are. Here's my RStudio project. And then create a new R script here.
Uh,
Like that. Okay, and then I'm going to save this example lab 1.
mhm.
Okay. All right. And basically
Oh.
what you do is anything that goes in R, you just copy
Uh-huh.
and paste in your script. So I'm going to change that to name,
Hmm.
and then date is June 3rd. This is just, it's always good to have your name and your date, not just because it's an assignment, but in the lab.
Okay.
So now we need to download this data um, from, and I should actually put, just do this instead. You don't have to worry too much about what I'm doing right now.
Oh, okay. I was like, what's going on?
Yeah. Okay,
Do you
so
do this? Oh, sorry.
go ahead.
Oh, I was gonna ask, do you do this like if I were in person, would you still do this for the
Yes.
statistics class? Oh,
Yeah, yeah. So statistics is really about doing things. So like doing statistics is the best way to learn statistics. So I do the in-person very similarly. All right, so you're gonna go to this sheet, which you can get on
mhm.
the home page in climate data right here.
Okay.
And do you have a Mac or a PC?
I have like
Do you,
Lebanon,
Windows? Do
little.
you use Windows or
Yeah, I
yeah?
do
Okay,
Windows.
good. So download this as an Excel,
Okay.
and then once you download it, it'll go into your downloads folder, and then
Okay.
um, once you're in your downloads folder, are you also doing this or?
Yeah, I'm trying to
Okay,
following.
great.
Yeah, but
No, that's great. So let's see. So I will.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, I'm there.
Okay,
Sorry,
cool.
take me a while.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm there.
All right. So let me show you really quick. Um,
Hmm.
so here it is in my downloads folder, saved as an Excel file.
Okay. So download and make it to an Excel. Okay, Microsoft Excel, right?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I have it open and
Awesome. So back on your web browser,
Mhm.
go to the Posit Cloud RStudio,
Mhm.
and over here in Files, do you see that you should have like four little windows? And then, can you see my screen again?
Yes, I can see
Okay.
your screen.
Over here in Files,
Mhm.
you can click Upload, upload files to server,
Okay.
and then choose a file
Okay.
and just open the climate data and click OK.
Okay.
Mine is going to say it has to overwrite, but yours won't say that because this is the first time you're uploading it. So once you
Okay.
do that, you should see climate data in the files here.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. Okay.
Click, click right on the name and click import dataset.
Mhm.
And then just click import down.
Mhm.
It might say you have to install packages. If it does, just click OK, and it's kind of give you a lot of junk down here in the console. But
Mhm.
ultimately, once it's all done, you'll see your climate data in a little panel right here. That might take a minute. Um, if you want me to check and make sure it works, you can use the phone trick where you show me your screen with your phone.
Yeah, I'm just give me a second.
Yep.
Sorry, it's just like right now, I don't know what's I'm in this food place and this Wi-Fi is really bad. So
Okay. Well, there's also a video tutorial
yeah.
on uploading Excel files to Posit Cloud.
Mhm.
And so that goes through these same steps. So if it doesn't work so well, you can try it later.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's taking a while. I don't know why. If you want, you can continue and I'll just like
Yeah, we'll keep
watch here.
going.
Yeah.
So once that's uploaded, basically to complete the lab, well, you obviously need to read through everything.
Yeah, yeah.
But the actual code, so question one, introducing the climate data set, contains average maximum temperatures in the month of April and total April precipitation for a number of cities across the world.
Hmm.
Question 1A, what variables are contained in the data set? To figure that out, you just copy and paste the code here, and then you run it with the button there, and it
Hmm.
tells you these are the variables: continent, country, city, April temp, April precip, and latitude.
Oh,
And then you
okay.
copy that, um,
You put it back into the
put it
document?
right here. Boom. And that's what I'm going to be looking for.
Okay, okay, okay. That makes sense. That was one of my questions too,
Yeah,
that am I supposed to just like because it has questions in the document and I didn't know if you wanted us to
yeah,
like write it there or was
yeah.
the studio like okay, that makes so much sense. Okay.
So question 1B is going to count the number of cities in the data set. So again, copy that code,
Mhm.
paste it here, highlight both of those and click run. And it says there are 193 cities. So here you can say the number of cities, 193. And
Oh,
that's
that's
how you're going to work through all of this.
okay. That makes so much sense.
Good. I'm
I
glad you asked.
truly do appreciate your help.
Yeah,
That makes so much sense. I mean, it looks it looked like coding, and I was like, I like kind of freaked out. I was like,
right.
what? That makes so much sense. Okay, that makes so much sense. I feel much better that you
Great.
explained it to
Yeah,
me.
absolutely. I have a question. Do you mind if I post this video to have other students watch it if they need?
Sure. Yeah, of course. I just hope my voice is not too loud. I
Oh,
was
it's fine. It's fine.
right then.
All right.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording now.
All right then. Yep.